Imagine making money while you sleep. That's the power of passive income. Today, we're exploring different ways to create passive income streams and build wealth without trading your time. It's about creating a steady flow of income that works for you, even while you're busy with other things. Passive income is a game changer. It's like having a money-making machine that runs on its own. Let's dive into some of the most popular passive income ideas. Let's unlock the potential for financial freedom. Real estate investing. This is often considered a top choice for generating passive income. Think of buying a rental property, then finding tenants to pay you rent each month. That's the core idea of passive income from real estate. Rental properties can generate steady cash flow and potential appreciation over time. It's a solid investment. But real estate investing comes with responsibilities. You'll need to manage your tenants and maintain the property. If you're not comfortable with those responsibilities, consider other real estate investments. You can invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, for more hands-off ownership. Dividend stocks, another popular passive income source. You buy stocks in companies that pay dividends to their shareholders. Imagine owning a small piece of a company. They're sharing a part of their profits with you. Dividends are like regular payments, a consistent income stream. But don't think of this as a guarantee. It depends on the company's performance. Consider building a portfolio of dividend stocks to create a diversified passive income stream. Don't overlook affiliate marketing. It's a digital way to earn passive income online. Promote products or services on your blog, website, or social media platforms. Earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link. You need a website or platform with good content and an audience. So it's not a quick, rich solution, but a long-term strategy. Let's talk about online courses. A way to share your skills and knowledge with others. Create an online course on a topic you're passionate about or an area where you have expertise. Turn your expertise into an income-generating asset. Create a course platform and promote it to attract students. Earn passive income from sales and enrollments. You can use platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or even your own website. It takes work to create a good online course. Online businesses can generate passive income if you invest in them upfront. Imagine running a blog or online shop. Build your brand and create valuable content. It can provide ongoing passive income. Remember, the key to any passive income strategy is setting up your system to generate revenue. It takes time and effort to create it, but the rewards can be significant. Don't underestimate the power of building a website or blog with affiliate marketing. With a dedicated audience, you can create a steady passive income stream. Don't forget about creating and selling digital products. Ebooks, templates, printables, and online resources can provide a consistent stream of income. Let's explore a few more creative passive income ideas. Think outside the box. If you're good at writing, consider writing for others. Provide freelance services like ghostwriting or content writing. Use your talents and knowledge to make money online. Develop a strong portfolio to attract clients. Offer a creative service like design, web development, or music production. The possibilities are endless. Passive income can come in many forms, and it can help build wealth. Be open to learning about various options. If you're good with numbers or budgeting, consider starting a financial advisory business. Many people want to learn how to better manage their money. Take your knowledge of finances to help others. It's not only financially rewarding, but also intellectually stimulating. Turn your passion into a profit. The key is to create valuable resources that people are willing to pay for. Create online tools, calculators, or spreadsheets. These can help people with various aspects of their finances and can earn you a passive income stream. Investing is often an initial investment that requires financial capital to create more income. But there are passive income ideas for those with limited capital. Start small. Begin by building one passive income stream and grow it before adding others. Even if your initial income is small, focus on growing it with time and effort. Remember, building passive income takes time and commitment. Don't expect quick results, but invest in the long game. Be consistent. Stay focused. It's important to choose a passive income source that aligns with your interests, talents, and values. Your journey should be enjoyable. Think about the things that excite you. You can even combine hobbies with income-generating ideas. Do your research, create a plan, and set goals. Building passive income requires a solid strategy. The more you invest, the more you'll learn. That's a huge part of growing your passive income potential. Always be on the lookout for new ideas and opportunities. The world of passive income is constantly evolving. Enjoy the journey of creating your financial freedom. The process of learning, growing, and building income streams is rewarding. Remember, you are capable of creating a financial future you love. Make your money work for you. Build passive income streams. Create a future you're proud of. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Need to keep your screen looking busy? Sign up for our free email newsletter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notifications for more Money Mindset Makeover content.